Good afternoon, San Francisco. Baby Lily and Mommy Kata are looking out the window because it's the first time that the sun went out. So, maaraw sa labas pero mahangin. And this hospital is not equipped with air conditioning. They know na malamig dito. They have heaters but no air conditioning. So today is a milestone because lumalabas na yung breast milk ko talaga. Hindi na yung colostrum. Which means whenever Lily feeds, marami na siyang iinom. Kaya every after feeding, nagpupoop na siya. And that's Vince's job. That's Daddy's job to clean her poop. She doesn't like diaper changes, of course. She cries. So, yung nurse, she's concerned kasi pataas ng pataas yung BP ko. Ako rin concerned din ako. Anyway, here's Lily and Mommy. And tomorrow, uwi na kami. Uwi na.